I remove solar panels off of houses. Oh man, this ladder's not fun. So I get called out to these job sites to do solar panel removals. They went out of business like everyone else in the solar industry, but I deal with roof leaks, house fires, repos, bad electrical systems, like you name it.
Installing solar panels involved a complex process that often required professional expertise, significant upfront costs, and structural modifications to buildings. However, plug-and-play solar panels have changed this landscape by offering a simpler, more accessible solution. What are plug-and-play solar panels? Plug-and-play solar panels, also known as plug-in solar panels or DIY solar kits, are designed to be user-friendly systems that can be easily installed by homeowners or businesses without specialized technical knowledge.